Alright, 2008 Hyundai Getz. Problem is turning the keys, not starting the car half the time. Had a look at it, and the Immobilizer is not functioning correctly. We're getting 5 flashes in the corner there of the Immobilizer light. Normally you'll get 1 and then the key will work. So 5 flashes means it's not working. Problem with these is this plug coming out of the Immobilizer ring. We've got the black and white wires there that goes down into the loom. It's normally attached there. So that connection there is no good. The factory recall, they did just cut these wires and soldered them together. So we've got black and white, and then that's going to go to the red and blue wire there and bypass the plug, because it's a very low voltage there coming through into that coil. So when it's going through the plug, there's too much resistance. So that means when you take the key out, put it in the other way, jiggle it around, give it a knock or whatever, it's just enough to get that to start sometimes. But that's what they do at the dealer. Back when these were new, they were doing that as well. So I'm going to do that today and get this car going again.